Hi, I'm Alejo, Head of Growth at Suku, back with another tutorial. In this case, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Suku Wallet to OpenSea and list an NFT for sale. First, open your Suku Wallet extension from your browser. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to extension.suku.world, install it, and log in. Look for the OpenSea Quick Access button and give it a click. This will take you to OpenSea's website, where you'll see an option for Wallet Connect, which is a technology that connects Suku Wallet to decentralized applications like OpenSea. Click on Wallet Connect. Now hit that green Connect with Suku button. You'll get a pop-up asking for permission to connect. Go ahead and approve that. And don't worry, you won't be paying gas fees or anything like that. This step is just to verify that you own the wallet. Once connected, your collection of NFTs should be visible in your wallet's profile in OpenSea or under the Hidden tab. Find the NFT you'd like to sell and click the Sell button. Now, let's discuss selling options real quick. OpenSea gives you a variety of ways to sell your NFTs. You can go for a fixed price, take offers, or even set up an auction. Today we'll focus on selling an NFT at a fixed price. Now you can set your selling method, establish your price, and decide how long the sale should last. And there you have it. Your NFT is now listed on OpenSea, ready for potential buyers from all over the world. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you haven't installed your Suku Wallet yet, go to extension.suku.world now and click the install button. Thanks for watching, and until the next time.